Hi everyone, and welcome to this breathing practice to reduce snoring. Snoring happens when a high volume of air is travelling through a narrow space and it causes turbulence. So what we want to do is begin to decrease the amount of air that is flowing through this narrow space. So this practice today is all around lowering the volume of air that is travelling in and out of the nose. Whether you are a mouth snorer or a nose snorer, this technique will help you. However, if you know that you're a mouth snorer and you're breathing through your mouth at night, I highly recommend using a mouth tape such as Myo tape. This will ensure that you get a restful and deep night's sleep, as well as being an instant fix for mouth snoring. You can see more in the description. So let us begin. Let's start by finding ourselves in a comfortable position for us. Ideally seated, maybe with a cushion under your hips, something behind your back for support. Somewhere where you can feel alert, yet relaxed. Allow your spine to lengthen, the crown of the head lengthening towards the sky, and feel your body just gently melting and relaxing around this length. Feel your breathing almost influencing your posture. Inhaling for that little bit of length in the spine. Exhaling to relax around that length. Feel the shoulders and the belly soften. Feel your face and your jaw relax. The tongue gently resting behind the top teeth in the roof of the mouth. And just begin to breathe gently through your nose, directing the air softly and gently in and out of the nose. But just observing it for now, just keep it natural for a few breaths. Observe how it feels as it comes in the nose. And observe how it feels as it leaves the nose. Begin to observe your body and the effect the breath has on the physical body. As you inhale, see if your breath can move down towards the lower ribs and the belly, so that the chest stays nice and still, the shoulders soft and relaxed. And as you breathe out, just feel how the belly gently relaxes. And repeat this a few times, really seeing if you can keep the shoulders and chest nice and still. This will help us find a more functional breath and a deeper breath without taking too much air in and out. So a nice gentle inhale, feel the lower ribs and the belly expand. And a fully relaxed exhale, feel the lower ribs and the belly gently fall, and just do this for me for a few rounds. So let us begin, although we already have, to reduce the volume of air. We will have already started doing this when we start to relax relax and become aware of our breath and get a deeper breath down in that lower rib cage, the volume of air will start to decrease. But this exercise, I want you to bring one of your index fingers and I want you to place it lengthways underneath your nostrils. So give yourself a little mustache. Place that finger underneath your nostrils and just observe the amount of air that is brushing past that finger right now. You don't need to change it, just observe. Is it a big, strong gush of air? Is it quite light and soft? Feel the warmth of that exhale on the finger. And feel that little cool breeze of the inhale on the finger. And again, just for a few breaths, just stay with this. Just observe. Now, you've probably guessed, we're going to start to reduce how much sensation we're feeling on that finger. So just nice and slowly, take your time, don't push anything too much. Just see if you can reduce how much air you are feeling on that finger. Keep the same feeling, a gentle, relaxed inhale, and a super relaxed exhale. But just see if you can lessen how much air is going past that finger. What this will create is a feeling of what we call air hunger, or the slight need to breathe a bit more. This is what we are aiming for. So if you feel any kind of anxiety or panic, just take a rest, pause, take a few gentle breaths of your own, and then I want you to come back and see if you can do it again. Obviously go easy on yourself, but trust me, this gets easier with time and practice. So let us continue. That index finger underneath the nostrils, and I hardly want you to feel any air on that finger. Now this will be hard. The air hunger should be tolerable. You should be able to keep it going and still relax. But again, this might take time and practice. Soft, quiet, inhale. A soft, quiet, and fully relaxed exhale. Let's stay here for a full minute, slowing down the breath, reducing the amount of air going in and out. See if you can relax and take a pause whenever you need to, just 1 minute. Lovely, well done everyone. Relax that index finger and just go back to your natural rhythm of breath. Breathing gently in through the nose, nice and relaxed out through the nose. Really feel your body relaxing as you breathe out. And just observe for a moment how you feel. Notice if your body feels a bit warmer. Notice any feelings you're having, there's no right or wrong. And we're just going to take another few moments to recover. And then we're going to do this again, just for a little bit longer. The key with this exercise is little and often, building up slowly until you can do this for 15 to 20 minutes, maybe once or twice a day. This will hugely impact on your snoring and on your ability to breathe more freely at night. For our second round, we are going to do it without the index finger. Now, if the finger helps you, then please use it as a tool whenever you need to. You can use it straight away if you want. But let us again come into that relaxed state, gently following the breath in and out of the nose. Keeping the shoulders and the chest nice and still and soft. And now, to begin to breathe more lightly, I want you to imagine that you have placed a feather underneath your nostrils. And that feather, you don't want it to flutter at all. Try to keep that feather as still as you can as you breathe through the nose. Super soft, quiet, gentle breath in, that feather hardly moves. And a super relaxed, long exhale, that feather hardly moves. This is where you will stay for 2 minutes. Remember, if you feel any kind of panic, anxiety, or the air hunger gets a little bit too much, just take a pause, come back to your own natural way of breathing for a bit, and then come back. This will get easier, so persevere with this practice. We have 2 minutes here. Place that feather underneath your nostrils, or use your index finger, and let's breathe lightly. Let's encourage the body to relax. Let's encourage more oxygen delivery. Let's encourage greater circulation around the body. Let us breathe lightly. Things that you may feel during these couple of minutes. You may feel the ends of the fingers or the palms of the hands getting slightly warmer as that circulation in the body increases. You might feel a little bit more moisture in the mouth. Observe these changes. Enjoy them. They are your body's little signals to tell you that this is working. Persevere With this practice, soft, quiet, gentle inhale, super relaxed, quiet exhale. When you are ready, let this practice go and come back to your own breathing rhythm and to your body. Notice how you feel without any judgment, just observing your experience today. If you are brand new to this practice, this may have been a real challenge. That is okay. Keep going with this practice. It will do wonders for your sleep quality, your focus, concentration, and of course, for your snoring. I advise practicing this technique twice a day for at least 10 to 20 minutes. Build this up. The more that you do it, the greater impact that it will have. I really hope you enjoyed this session. If you did, please consider subscribing and share with anyone that you think would benefit. I look forward to practicing with you again really soon.